Hi everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to post a story on Instagram from PC. So all you have to do is to log in your Instagram on your PC, and as you can see here it's kind of hard to look for that plus icon where you can post your story. However, I'm going to show you how to do it. So what you're going to do here is you have to click this three dots at the top right corner, and then you have to look for settings or more tools rather. So you have to click this more tools and then tap this developer tools. And then once you're here, and then you just have to focus on this arrow. You have to click this mobile icon right here, and it will show you the mobile setting or view of your Instagram. So if you want a cleaner version, then you can just simply reload this. And this is what it looks like. So the view is it's like you are using your mobile phone, and then what you're going to do here, if you want to upload a story or reels, then all you have to do is just simply click this plus icon, okay, above, and then you will have this post for story, or if you want to post something. So if you want to click the story right here, and then you can now add your story. Feel free to edit like you're using your mobile phone. So you can change the color, you can download, add stickers, and then you can add captions right here. It's the same thing. And then once you're done, of course, what you're going to do is you just have to click done. And then after that, click this add to your story and then wait as it is processing. So as you can see, it's uploading. And once you go to your homepage, click your story has been added. As easy as that. So if you have found this video helpful or if you want to suggest something, please do comment down below and please do like and subscribe to our channel. See you again in our next video tutorials.